Thank you for joining me. It's another exciting episode. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple 3-ingredient facial scrub. You can use this to exfoliate your face. You can use it as a mask. You just have to rinse it after about 20 minutes. We are going to go over now, and I prefer to do this at night. So I'll show you a night routine if you want to scrub and moisturize and do the whole thing. So keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Welcome back. So we're going to start this routine by showing you how you can exfoliate your skin or your face. It's really important you exfoliate every 2 to 3 days, or you can do it 2 times a week. This will help really deep cleanse your face, remove buildup, dirt, oil, and it's a good anti-wrinkle. For the ingredients I'm going to be showing you, they are just basic ingredients. You might already have them at home. This mask has just 3 ingredients. You're going to need sugar, honey, and some turmeric powder. What this 3 combination is going to do for you is that it's going to help brighten your face. It's going to help moisturize your skin. For those of you battling with acne, it's a good anti-inflammatory in there, antioxidant. So for those of you having dark spots, it will help to fade it gradually. If you're battling with wrinkles, it's a perfect remedy for it. So we're going to go right away to mix this ingredient, and I'll show you how I apply it to my face. This would be a wonderful time to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment in the comment section. We'll be right back and we'll get mixing right away. Thank you. So you're going to need a stir stick or a spatula of your any spatula you have, and then I just have the face cleaning pads here. So the 3 ingredients I have here: 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon pure honey. So we're going to start by mixing. Add your sugar to your turmeric and mix that really well. And then we're going to stir in the honey. So you want to make sure it's in a paste like this. So because my honey was so thick, I added 2 teaspoons of warm water. But if your honey is running, like very liquidy, then you don't need to add any water. But you want to make sure your consistency it's like a paste like this, okay? So we're going to start first by cleansing our face. If you want to wash your face, you can go ahead and wash. But I'll just cleanse, scrub, and then I'll go wash. And I'll show you what product I'm going to apply before I go to bed. So I'm just using a regular pre-moistened wipe. So you want to just make turmeric sugar honey paste and just apply it all over my face. So you want to make sure you take your time, apply it all over your face. As you can see, I have brought it all the way down to my jawline here. So I'll let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to wash it off with lukewarm water, and I'll be back to show you how to moisturize your face before you go to bed. Sit back, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So my face is all rinsed now. I used lukewarm water. I didn't use any soap at all. And my face feels so clean, so light. And then I'm going to be using a firming cream. So I use Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 firming cream. This is a nighttime cream, so you see the cover is black. And then I also like to use a wrinkle corrector serum. So if you're approaching your 40s or you're over 40, then you want to start using a wrinkle corrector. Or even in your 30s, you should be using a wrinkle corrector serum. For that one, I'm going to use the Ordinary. It's a vitamin C serum. This will help to brighten your face and just reduce the look of wrinkles. I'm just going to be using about 4 drops there. You can use this every morning and evening. So I do use it every morning compulsory. Only in the evening sometimes I'm too tired. So you want to rub that. And why I like this one is that it dries so quickly. It doesn't give you any build up. So you apply that over your face and then go in with a moisturizer. So my firming cream. So I'll just take a little bit all over my face. And you want to distribute this evenly and all the way to your neck. Okay. And then I'm going to go to bed now. I'll see you in the morning. Please keep watching. I'll show you the creams I use in the morning for my morning routine. Good morning, I'm back. I'm just gonna show you a quick morning routine for my face. I've gone ahead to take my shower and wash my face. I haven't applied anything yet. So I'm gonna start using a wrinkle corrector serum. You can use any one you have available. This is by The Ordinary. It's just a vitamin C serum. So I'm using about 3 to 4 drops here, and I'm just going to apply that all over the face. I think I lost a few drops. So this will help reduce the fine lines of wrinkle. And then another one that is also good is the Wrinkle Corrector Serum by L'Oreal Paris. I have used that one and it's good. So after you use your serum, you want to go ahead and use a moisturizer. I love the Olay Regenerist brand. I used the night cream yesterday, and this is the Miracle Whip. So it has SPF. You want to make sure you buy your moisturizer with sun protective factor. That is the SPF. So some of them have 25, anywhere from 25 to 100. This one has 50. So what this does is that it protects your face against the harmful rays of the sun. So this one is in a pump, so you can just dispense whatever you need there. So this you want to do every day. You want to make sure you always moisturize your face. And you bring it down to your neck. Okay, so our face is ready to face the day. So go ahead now, whether you want to wear your makeup or you want to go out like that, make sure you moisturize your face. This helps to keep it rehydrated all day. I hope you found this video very helpful. I'm going to film a part 2 of it, which is a 5-minute makeup tutorial. It's a very quick get ready with me, so make sure you watch out for that. For the face scrub, I just want to keep it short, that way it's not too lengthy. So go ahead, scrub your face at least 2 times a week, and you see it glowing. Those wrinkles will come down. And for those of you battling acne, it's a good anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, moisturizer, deep cleanser. So it's so good. Until next time when I bring you another amazing episode, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.